Akalain mo yun, napakaliit lang nito pero napakaganda ng sound quality. This is the Boya Mini 2, a compact wireless microphone, and this only weighs 5 grams. Grabe, mas magaan pa to kaysa sa Varia. Pero guys, you might be asking na ang dami ng wireless microphone sa market ngayon. Pero what makes Boya stand out is its AI noise cancellation. So kaya lang naman itong i-cancel yung noise up to negative 40 decibels. So basically, kahit maingay sa paligid mo, malinaw pa rin yung boses mo. So perfect to for vlogging, interviews, or kahit pang content creation. And speaking of interviews, napakaganda nito kasi it comes with two microphones. So ito yung una, tapos andito yung pangalawa. And just to show you the difference, no, kung ano yung noise cancellation nito. So in fact, merong electric fan dito sa harap ko and ilalapit ko yung mismong mic. I don't know if naririnig nyo, pero ayan yung electric fan. So ilalagay ko siya ulit dito. And for sure, mas na-lessen na siya or mas nawala na. And guys, kahit maliit lang to, meron tong battery up to 6 hours per microphone. Umaabot naman up to 30 hours together with its charging case. And guys, grabe yung charging case niya. Para ka lang may dalang earbuds, oh. O diba? Kaya napaka-hassle-free na nitong gamitin if in case gagawa ka ng content sa labas ng bahay nyo. O diba mas pinadali na yung paggawa ng contents with this mic kasi plug and play na lang siya. Wala nang kailangan sobrang hassle na setup. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng wireless microphone to level up your content creation, well, this microphone from Boya is definitely worth checking out. Kaya kung interesado ka dito, the product link is down below and I'll see you sa next video.